It was recently revealed that Samsung is cooperating with Instagram to deliver a new feature in the Galaxy S24 series, giving easy access to the Instagram camera from the lock screen. Now, Android Authority has discovered codes indicating that Samsung is collaborating with Snapchat to bring a similar function to the S24 lineup, allowing users to add a direct shortcut to the Snapchat camera on the lock screen, providing a faster route to posting new content or sharing stories. Recently, benchmarks revealed that Samsung would add a 12GB RAM model to the S24 Plus. The question of whether the standard S24 will also get 12GB RAM or continue with 8GB surfaced. Because benchmarks for the S24 with 12GB RAM have yet to appear, it's reasonable to assume the S24 will not have 12GB RAM and will instead feature 8GB. We have huge news from a reputable South Korean magazine disclosing the release date, pre-order, and availability. According to ELEC, Samsung will hold the unpacking event on January 17 in San Jose, California. Pre-orders will begin immediately after the event and will last until January 30. Shipments to pre-ordered clients will begin between January 26 and 30. All other customers may purchase the phones beginning January 30. We don't yet have pricing information, but experts anticipate that prices will stay unchanged. So, if that is correct, the S24 should start at $800, the S24 Plus at $1,000, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra at $1,200. If the S24 Ultra does not spark your attention, Samsung is providing a simple 25% discount on the S23 Ultra and Z Fold 5 when bought via their Shop Samsung app. Additionally, they are providing improved trade-in possibilities, storage enhancements, and an additional $25 discount. A new feature for the Galaxy S24 Ultra Zoom has been officially unveiled by Samsung. It will record to length videos at the same time, both zoomed in a full frame. It will work in two modes, 2x and 4x, and it will further stabilize your footage. Not only that, there is an amazing picture feature, E2EAI Remosaic feature, which will reduce the time to take a picture, as Samsung claims it will be 2 times faster than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.